In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove fake blank cells in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and go to the worksheet where you want to check for blank-looking cells. This issue is more common than it seems, especially when data has been typed manually, pasted from another file, or imported from a different system. Sometimes a cell looks empty, but it is not truly blank. It may contain a single space, several spaces, a hidden non-printing character, or even a formula that returns an empty string. These are often called fake blank cells, and they can cause problems with sorting, filtering, formulas, and pivot tables because Excel still treats them as containing something. To understand what's happening, imagine a sample employee list where some names appear missing. One row might contain a single space, another might contain multiple spaces, another might include an invisible character, and another might use a formula that displays nothing. Even though they look similar on screen, Excel may interpret each one differently. The first method is to identify fake blank cells using the len function. If the employee name is in column B, click in cell D2 and enter equals ln, open parenthesis B2, close parenthesis. Then copy the formula down the column. ln counts how many characters are in the cell. If the result is greater than 0, the cell contains something, even if it looks empty. If the result is 0, the cell is truly blank, or the formula returns an empty string. Next, remove extra spaces with the trim function. In E2, enter equals trim open parenthesis B2, close parenthesis, then copy it down. Trim removes leading spaces, trailing spaces, and extra spaces between words, which is useful when the issue is caused by accidental spacing. If your data came from another system, you may also need to remove invisible characters. In a new column, enter equals clean, open parenthesis B2, close parenthesis, and copy that formula down. Clean removes hidden, non-printing characters that may not be visible but still affect your data. For the best result, combine both functions. Enter equals trim, open parenthesis, clean open parenthesis B2, close parenthesis, and copy it down. This handles both unwanted spaces and hidden characters in one step, making it a reliable cleanup formula. Finally, check whether the cleaned cell is really blank. Enter equals if open parenthesis, trimmer open parenthesis, clean open parenthesis, B, close parenthesis, equals double quotes, comma quote, blank quote, comma quote, has data quote, close parenthesis, then copy it down. This will clearly label each cleaned cell as blank or has data, so you can verify your results with confidence.